This is a summary of Jamaica's COVID-19 related data for day 53, Saturday the 2nd of May 2020.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The National Surveillance Unit of the Ministry of Health and Wellness has reported that in the last 24 hours, 31 samples have tested positive for COVID-19. This brings the number of confirmed cases to 463. Of the 31 new cases, there are 11 males and 20 females, with ages ranging from 8 to 72 years. Of the 31 new cases, 7 are employees of the workplace cluster in St. Catherine. 5 are contacts of employees of that workplace cluster, and 19 are under investigation. There are now 217 confirmed COVID-19 cases related to the workplace cluster in St. Catherine. They are primarily from the parishes of St. Catherine, Kingston, and St. Andrew. Their ages range from 18 to 53 years. They include 163 females and 54 males. There are now 35 imported cases, 145 that are contacts of a confirmed case, 9 that are local transmission cases not epidemiologically linked, and 274 that are under investigation. 217 of those under investigation are linked to the workplace cluster in St. Catherine. Most of the 286 or 62% of the confirmed cases are female, and 177 or 38% are male. The ages of all the confirmed cases range from 2 months to 87 years. So far, 5,215 samples have been tested. Of the 5,215, in addition to the 463 that have returned positive results, 436 samples were tested in the last 24 hours, 85 at the National Influenza Center, and 351 at the National Public Health Lab. There are 433 persons in isolation and 88 in quarantine in a government facility. 8 persons have died, while 33 persons have recovered. This is a clinical update in tabular form as provided by the Ministry of Health and Wellness as at 3 p.m. on Saturday the 2nd of May. Total samples tested 5,215. Results positive 463. Results negative 4,716. Results pending 36. Deceased 8. Recovered 33. Numbers hospitalized, inclusive of positive and suspected COVID-19 cases, 84. Persons moderately ill, 6. Persons critically ill, 2. Persons in facility isolation, 211. Persons in home isolation, 112. Persons in transitional facilities, 26. Number in facility quarantine, 88. Now for a more detailed breakdown of the data. Of the 463 cases, 286 are females, while 177 are males. There have been 8 deaths, and of the 8, 5 are males while 3 are females. 33 people have recovered, inclusive of 17 males and 16 females. This means that there are 422 active cases presently. Of the active cases, 266 are females, while 156 are males. Cases by parish. Hanover remains the only parish yet to record any case. St. James, 8 confirmed cases, 1 death, 4 recoveries. Trelawney, 1 case. St. Anne, 9 cases, 3 recoveries. St. Mary, 9 cases. Portland, 7 cases, 1 death, 1 recovery. St. Thomas, 2 cases. The parishes of Kingston and St. Andrew, 97 cases, 3 deaths, 8 recoveries. St. Catherine continues to lead the way with 278 cases, 1 death, and 2 recoveries. Clarendon, 33 cases, 1 death, 7 recoveries. Manchester, 12 cases, 7 recoveries. St. Elizabeth, 5 cases, and Westmoreland closes out the list with 2 cases, 1 death, and 1 recovery. The age breakdown of the cases are as follows. The 0 to 9 age group, 34 cases or 7.3%. The 10 to 19 age group, 53 cases or 11.4%. The 20 to 29 age group, 186 cases or 40.2%. The 30 to 39 age group, 74 cases or 16%. The 40 to 49 age group, 40 cases or 8.6%. The 50 to 59 age group, 40 cases or 8.6%. The 60 to 69 age group, 19 cases or 4.1%. And the 70 to 79 age group, 16 cases or 3.5%. Recoveries by age group. The 20 to 29 age group has seen 2 recoveries or 6.1%. 30 to 39 age group, 9 recoveries or 27.3%. The 40 to 49 age group, 2 recoveries or 6.1%. The 50 to 59 age group has seen 10 recoveries or 30.3%. The 60 to 69 age group, 5 recoveries or 15.2%. The 70 to 79 age group has seen 4 recoveries or 12.1%. And the 80 to 89 age group, 1 recovery or 3%. Death by age group. The 0 to 9 age group has seen 1 death or 12.5%. 40 to 49 age group, 2 deaths or 25%. 50 to 59 age group, 1 death or 12.5%. The 60 to 69 age group, 2 deaths or 25%. And the 70 to 79 age group, 2 deaths or 25%.
Teach them! Hey, yo, yellow! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.